Hey guys, I wanted to show you the new tubular bumper with a winch I installed. This is a TYT 13,000 pound winch with a synthetic rope. I got it on Amazon for about 300 bucks. Turns out it's a pretty great product. Basically a positive and negative lead that go to your battery. I used a little fuse mount with a Z-Case 300 amp fuse. That's typically what you use on a 12 to 13,000 pound winch. I used a Harbor Freight universal winch mount, and I bent some 1 3/4 tubing off of it and off of some flat plates to build the bumper. The winch itself came with 2 wireless remotes and a wired remote. I had to have wireless remotes, that's why I went with this winch. As soon as I hooked it up, I grabbed a wireless remote, turned it on, pushed the in button, pushed the out button, and everything worked flawlessly. I really couldn't believe it. But this winch is definitely a good buy, and if I was to do it again, I'd buy the exact same winch. So here you have it. No more getting stuck.
If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, Arnold.Escapades@gmail.com, and subscribe to see more how-tos and more content from off-grid camping. Thank you all for watching, and feel free to give us a follow on social media over at Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.